English sentence, meaning 1. Good morning, a greeting used in the morning. 2. How are you today? Asking about someone's condition. 3. I am fine, thank you. Saying you are well. 4. What is your name? Asking someone's name. 5. My name is John. Telling your name. 6. Nice to meet you. A polite greeting when meeting someone. 7. Where are you from? Asking about someone's country or hometown. 8. I am from Ethiopia. Saying where you come from. 9. I live in the city. Telling where you live. 10. Welcome to our school. Greeting someone who has arrived. 11. Please come in. Inviting someone to enter. 12. Have a seat. Asking someone to sit down. 13. Thank you very much. Showing gratitude. 14. You are welcome. Responding to thanks. 15. Excuse me. Politely getting someone's attention or apologizing. 16. I am sorry. Expressing an apology. 17. That's all right. Accepting an apology. 18. See you tomorrow. Saying goodbye until tomorrow. 19. Have a nice day. Wishing someone a good day. 20. Goodbye. A farewell greeting. 21. I like English. Saying you enjoy English. 22. English is interesting. Saying English is enjoyable. 23. I study every day. Saying you study daily. 24. Practice makes perfect. Regular practice leads to improvement. 25. Please speak slowly. Asking someone to slow down. 26. I don't understand. Saying something is not clear. 27. Can you repeat that? Asking someone to say it again. 28. I understand now. Saying the message is clear. 29. That's a good idea. Showing agreement. 30. Let's begin. Starting an activity. 31. Open your book. Asking someone to open a book. 32. Close the door. Asking someone to shut the door. 33. Listen carefully. Asking someone to pay attention. 34. Read this sentence. Asking someone to read. 35. Write your answer. Asking someone to write. 36. Do your homework. Telling someone to complete homework. 37. I have a question. Saying you want to ask something. 38. Please help me. Asking for help. 39. I can do it. Showing confidence. 40. Never give up. Encouraging someone to keep trying. 41. Today is a new day. Every day is a fresh start. 42. Keep smiling. Encouraging a happy attitude. 43. Stay positive. Encouraging optimistic thinking. 44. Believe in yourself. Have confidence in yourself. 45. You are doing well. Praising someone's progress. 46. Keep practicing English. Encouraging regular English practice. 47. Learning takes time. Learning requires patience. 48. Small steps matter. Small progress is important. 49. Success comes with practice. Practice leads to success. 50. You can achieve your goals. Encouraging confidence. in reaching your dreams.